Hello, I'm Dr. Barry Musikant. For those of you who may not know me, I've been a practicing endodontist in New York City for over 50 years. I have authored hundreds of endodontic articles and provided countless lectures on the topic. On Wednesday, November 29th at 9:45 a.m. and at 1:30 p.m. at the Jacob Javits Convention Center, I am conducting two 3-hour workshops that are unique because the techniques you learn will virtually eliminate instrument separation, giving you in turn the physical and mental freedom to cleanse even highly oval canals in 3 dimensions. The system is engine driven from start to finish, minimizing time requirements and hand fatigue, and allowing you to use the instruments multiple times with great cost savings. For further information on the meeting and registering, go to www.GNYDM.com.